Welcome to our lesson on the Daily Scrum and Sprint Review. In this session, we will explore their significance in Agile Project Management. The Daily Scrum is a crucial 15-minute meeting. It allows teams to synchronize their work and plan for the day ahead. Collaboration is key as members share updates and challenges. The Daily Scrum brings many benefits. It increases transparency, ensuring everyone knows the team's progress. Additionally, it allows for quick problem-solving, keeping projects on track. During the Daily Scrum, team members focus on 3 key questions. They share what they accomplished, what they plan to do, and any impediments they face. Let's take a moment to visualize a Daily Scrum in action. Observe how team members interact and share updates effectively. Now, let's transition to the Sprint Review. This meeting evaluates the work completed during the sprint and involves stakeholders for valuable feedback. This quote emphasizes the importance of stakeholder feedback during the sprint review. It is a vital part of ensuring project success. The sprint review has clear objectives. The team demonstrates their work and gathers feedback, which is essential for refining the product backlog. Key participants in the sprint review include the Scrum team, stakeholders, and the product owner. Each plays a vital role in ensuring the review is productive. The outcomes of a sprint review are significant. Expect an updated product backlog based on feedback and improved team dynamics from collaborative discussions. To maximize the effectiveness of sprint reviews, teams should prepare in advance. Encouraging open feedback is also crucial for gathering valuable insights. Now, let's visualize a sprint review in action. Notice how feedback is shared and how the team responds to stakeholder insights. In conclusion, the Daily Scrum and Sprint Review are vital components of Agile Project Management. They ensure transparency, collaboration, and continuous improvement. This quote encapsulates the essence of Agile. It reminds us that improvement is an ongoing process. As we conclude, take time to review today's lesson. Practicing the Daily Scrum will enhance your skills and understanding of Agile principles. To expand your knowledge, consider reading books on Agile practices. Online courses can also help solidify your understanding of these concepts. Engaging with the Agile community is beneficial. Participate in forums and attend meetups to gain new perspectives and insights. As we wrap up, reflect on the importance of the Daily Scrum and Sprint Review. They are essential for Agile success and promote continuous improvement. Thank you for participating in this lesson. We hope you feel more confident in your understanding of the Daily Scrum and Sprint Review. As you move forward, remember the principles of Agile. Your journey in project management is just beginning.